Hi, this is a demo video for an AI powered image generator. It is designed to help you generate your day-to-day emails, saving you a lot of time. This tool is originally designed for a German client, therefore all the language here is German. So just look quickly, we convert it to English. This tool can generate two types of emails for you. You can generate an email from scratch, and you can also generate reply to your received emails. So let's generate a new email. Here you can select your target language, like the language you want your email to be in. We have a couple of options here. We select English here. Here you will enter your context of the email. So let's enter it here. Write an email to Daniel informing him about project deadline extension from. Since, as I already said, this tool is originally designed for a German client, the requirement was that it should also have a voice transcription feature that should work for any user speaking in German, and the text should appear here. So it should like to reduce the typing time also. But here, since we are speaking in English, so it will not work. This was another requirement where if the input language here is anything other than German, the output should be a translation of the input in German. And since I have switched turned on the translation feature of my browser, therefore it is translating all the text here, but it should originally be in German here. Here you can enter additional information about your email context. Let's say you want your email to be up to specific characters, or you want to add your company name, or you want your email for a specific business purpose. So any other additional information you want about your email, you can type in here. From here you can select your tone of your English, the tone of your email, concise, convincing, personal. Let's select concise here and generate email. The email generators has generated the email. Here you can see it is already very concise, and you can copy and improve email here. So let's improve. For example, if you are not satisfied with your email, you can improve clicking here. Clicking here, that your generated email will appear into the context box here, and you can add anything you want. For example, if I want Daniel to have a call with me today, I can add. I want this generator to add for Daniel to have a call with me today. We can improve this email, and it will add your improvement suggestion here into the email. We can also try different tones, like for example, if I switch this to personal, this will switch this email to sound more friendly and personal. You can copy your email from here and the subject from here, and can paste it into your email tool, maybe Gmail or Outlook, anything you use. Similarly, this was another feature for the client, that if the generated email is other than German, the translate email into German should generate German translation for that email. But since I As I said, I have switched the translation feature on. This is translating the German into English here. So let's copy it from here and now test our another feature, that is reply to an email. You can also select language from here. For the reply, I will add the my generated email here. And now you can add anything about your reply, like for example, if I add that I am available for the call today at 4 p.m. We'll keep this personal, and now this should generate response to your email. You can see that it's already very personal and friendly sounding. This tool also maintains history of the generated email. So like if you, for example, if you like the response, you can read this from here. For example, if I read it 4, so from top here you can see we have another tab, course. It's basically history of all the generated emails. So you can see your all the emails are here now. If you select here, you can see the details of that email here. You can copy that email again, and you can also filter the emails from here. That's the flow of the easy mode. This tool has basically two modes, easy mode and expert mode. In the expert mode we have a couple of more features, so we can switch the modes from the settings here. We can also select the model provider from here, since this was a requirement from our client that they wanted to integrate the LangDock provider as well and the OpenAI as well. You can also select the providers model from here. Like for the LangDock we have couple of features, like it also has some cloud models, and for OpenAI we have this much available models. So you can select any model you want for the tool to use to generate your email. We will switch to expert mode. In the expert mode we have one additional tab here, which is templates. The templates are basically the emails generated, and you save that emails as a template. So let's explore this mode as well. We will currently select no template, and here we will add the same context here for the email, and for the business occasion answer tones are again the same. And here one more feature here is you can further uh, describe your tone more here. If you think the tone you want is not available here, you can describe your own tone here, or even if you want some specific details about your tone, you can enter them here and can generate your email. Here in the expert mode we have an additional button, save as template. If you click this template, it will ask you for a name to the template. Let's give it a name like then it will appear here in the template section. You can use that template in your future emails from here. That template will appear here, and it will basically generate your email in the same format of the template. And in the expert mode here you can also switch between different models here, and that's it for the tool.